How to hide story from someone on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch a Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now click on the option Create Story. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select the video or the picture that you want to upload as your story. So I have selected this one picture. Once you select it, at the right corner you wanna find different option. Using this, you can edit your story, and once you do that, click on the settings icon given at the bottom left. Click on the option Privacy. Now from here you can easily hide story from someone. What you have to do is first up checking for the option Friends. Then click on this option Hide Story From. Now type in the name of the person to whom you want to hide the story. After the person's name appears, click on it, then click on Done. With that, this story will be hidden from that person. So this way you can easily hide story from someone on Facebook. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.